Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this nice Area 51 blue, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5 liter i4 hybrid engine and has front wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice quad exhaust. You have that tow hitch there. And moving to the front real quick. We have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see that we do have seating for up to 5. We have this nice darker gray cloth and light gray cloth interior with some orange stitching. We do have plenty of door space as well, a nice little grab handle with orange accents, as well as some nice navy blue on the door. We also have a 12-volt outlet right there, and of course if you don't need that extra person in the back, you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And these seats do fold up by just pulling this, allowing you to have storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual with the same cloth interior we saw on the back there. We do have plenty of door space again with the same orange accents and the blue interior. You have your tailgate light there, gas cap, and lights in general. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer is sitting at 31,289 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You do have your toggle for your main menu, voice, phone, media. And over here you have volume, mute, and cruise control right there. Looking at our main screen here, you do have your settings, which you can go for information, display, driving assist, vehicle settings, my key. We also have trip 1 and 2. My view, which you can go through kilometers per hour, such as your digital speedometer, EV coach, fuel economy, comm screen, and so on and so forth. You also have what station you're currently on, what phone is connected, and your settings. Continue our look here, you have your nice little gear shift right there, 2 cup holders, your parking brake, drive modes, traction, storage right there and there with the orange accents. You also get the orange accents here as well. With the USB and USB-C, you have your climate controls right there. And for our drive modes, you do get normal, tow and haul, slippery, eco, and sport. Continue our look here. We have our orange accents on the fans, which is pretty nice. You have your volume and tune, hazards. We got a nice little storage cubby up there as well as there, and you do get the storage in the glove compartment as well. We do have this nice white granite accent on the dash, which is pretty nice. And looking at our main screen, we have what station you're currently on, what device is connected. You do have Sirius XM capabilities, which is pretty nice. What phone is connected, any apps you may have downloaded, such as Connective Device, Find Mobile Apps, so on and so forth. You have your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, general vehicle information. You can change your ambient lighting with the brightness, of course, which is pretty handy. And then you have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functions. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7635, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.